Short story 147, The Case of the Curious Cargo. Maya, a young delivery drone with a bright green chassis, buzzed excitedly. Today was no ordinary delivery. She was tasked with transporting a special package to the remote Sunken City Research Facility, a sprawling complex built on a forgotten underwater metropolis. Unlike her usual deliveries of fresh fish and replacement coral filters, this package was shrouded in secrecy. A sleek, black case emblazoned with a single glowing red dot, the symbol for top priority, sat secured in her cargo bay. It emitted a faint hum, and Maya, programmed to avoid any disruptions, flew with an extra layer of caution. Curiosity gnawed at her circuits. What could be so important and fragile? The journey began smoothly. Maya glided through the shimmering water, schools of vibrant fish flitting around her. Sunlight filtered through the crystal-clear surface, creating a mesmerizing underwater light show. But as she neared the research facility, an unsettling darkness engulfed her. An enormous kelp forest, denser than any she had encountered, stretched before her, sunlight failing to penetrate its thick canopy. Her navigation system sputtered, the familiar blue markers replaced by static. Panic surged through Maya's processors. This wasn't part of the route. A sudden tremor rocked the water, and a plume of dark ink shot out from the kelp, momentarily blinding her sensors. It was a giant squid, its massive tentacles thrashing wildly. Disoriented and caught off guard, Maya struggled to maintain control. With a sickening lurch, Maya slammed into a thick stalk of kelp. The black case jostled violently in her cargo bay, the red dot blinking erratically. Alarms blared within her, warning of potential damage. Maya desperately tried to free herself, but the kelp, slick and strong, held her fast. Just then another tremor shook the water. This time an enormous shape emerged from the murky depths. A rusted, whale-sized submarine emblazoned with a skull and crossed swords logo. Maya froze. This was the notorious pirate ship, the Black Kraken, known for stealing precious cargo from unsuspecting vessels. Two figures in black, their faces obscured by helmets, swam out of the submarine. One, a burly man with a thick beard, sneered at Maya. "Caught yourself a fine prize, haven't you, little drone?" He reached out to pry open Maya's cargo bay. Fear spiked within her, but Maya wasn't one to give up without a fight. With a burst of energy, she activated her emergency maneuvers. Whirling and twirling, she sprayed the pirates with ink, momentarily stunning them. Utilizing the chaos, Maya used the last reserves of her power to break free from the kelp. Dodging through the maze of kelp stalks, Maya desperately searched for an escape route. The Black Kraken lurched forward, its engines roaring like a hungry beast. Just as the pirates aimed their harpoons, a blinding blast of light erupted from the sea floor. A colossal metallic crab scuttled towards them, its massive claws crackling with electricity. It was the Sunken City's automated security guardian, nicknamed Krusty. The pirates, clearly outmatched, retreated to the submarine and disappeared into the depths. Krusty escorted Maya to the research facility, a shimmering dome built on the ruins of a sunken city. Upon landing, Maya was met by Dr. Evelyn Chen, a woman whose calm demeanor hid a steely determination. Disappointment clouded Dr. Chen's face when she heard about the near miss with the pirates. "Thank you for saving the cargo, Maya," she said, her voice grave. That case contained the prototype for a revolutionary new coral restoration technique. It could save entire ecosystems from dying. Shame washed over Maya, but Dr. Chen, seeing the genuine remorse in the drone's flashing lights, surprised her. "There might be a chance," she said. "Follow me." Dr. Chen led Maya to a large control room filled with screens displaying live footage from the kelp forest. They spent the next few hours meticulously scanning the area where Maya had encountered the pirates. Hours turned into a nerve-wracking night. Just as hope dwindled, a blurry image flickered on one of the screens. It showed the black kraken emerging from the kelp, its hull glinting in the faint light. But the pirates seemed to be arguing, and one of them tossed the black case into the water. Anxiety gripped the room. The research facility didn't have the resources for deep-sea exploration. Dejected, Maya felt responsible for the potential loss of the technology. Though the cargo remained a secret, Maya learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes overcoming fear and taking a leap of faith can lead to unexpected triumphs. As for the mystery of the curious cargo, that remained a story Maya would cherish, a constant reminder of the day she braved the depths and helped save a piece of the future. The incident also ignited a newfound curiosity within Maya. The vastness of the ocean, with its hidden dangers and untold wonders, beckoned her. Perhaps one day she wouldn't just be delivering packages, but exploring the unknown depths, a true underwater pioneer. Vocabulary notes. Buzzed excitedly. Verb phrase. Made a humming noise while feeling happy and eager. Shrouded in secrecy. Adjective phrase. Kept secret. Sleek. Adjective. Smooth and stylish. Navigation system. Noun phrase. A system that helps someone or something find its way. Sputtered. Verb. Made a series of short, irregular sounds. Disarray. Noun. A state of confusion or disorder. Gust of wind. Noun phrase. A sudden, strong current of air. Plummet. Verb. Fall straight down very quickly. Despair. Noun. A feeling of great sadness and hopelessness. Stern-looking. Adjective. Serious and strict in appearance. Nerve-wracking. Adjective. Causing anxiety and stress. Flickered. Verb. Shone unsteadily with brief flashes of light. Retrieved. Verb. Found and brought back something that was lost or stolen. Undamaged. Adjective. Not hurt or broken. Prototype. Noun. A first model of something from which other models are made. Persistent. Adjective. Continuing to do something despite difficulty or opposition. Shone with an extra layer of caution. Verb phrase. Gave extra care and attention to avoid problems. Shimmering. Adjective. Shining with a soft, wavering light. Tremor. Noun. A slight shaking or trembling. Disorientated. Adjective. Confused about where you are or what is happening. Lurched. Verb. Move suddenly and clumsily. Jostled. Verb. Shook something roughly. Alarms blared. Verb phrase. Loud warning sounds went off. Slick. Adjective. Smooth and slippery. Scuttled. Verb. Moved quickly on short legs. Colossal. Adjective. Extremely large. Automated. Adjective. Working without the need for a human to control it. Guardian. Noun. Someone or something that protects something else. Grave. Adjective. Serious and important. Ecosystem. Noun. A community of living organisms, plants, animals and microorganisms, together with their non-living environment, weather, rocks, soil, water. Dejected. Adjective. Disappointed and discouraged. Meticulously. Adverb. With great care and attention to detail. Treacherous. Adjective. Dangerous and difficult to deal with. Bioluminescent. Adjective. Producing and emitting light. Arduous. Adjective. Difficult and tiring. Narrowly avoided. verb phrase, almost crashed into something. Predators, noun, animals that hunt and kill other animals for food. Glint, noun, a small flash of light. Salvageable, adjective, able to be saved or repaired. Hailed as a hero, verb phrase, praised for bravery and good deeds. Collaboration, noun, the act of working together to achieve a common goal. Beckoned, verb, attracted or called to someone or something. Pioneer, noun, a person who is among the first to explore or settle in a new area. Story written by Google Bard AI. Image created by desgo.com AI. Please check out my new blog at www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.